The search for which kitchen range suits you best can be hard. That's why in today's video we're going to break down all the unique differences from gas to electric and find what's best for you and your home. Starting out with the most common size in the industry is going to be our 30-inch model that's also 36.5 inches tall. Prolines ranges have an adjustable 1.5 inches of vertical space so you can find the perfect fit for your home. Now, something nice that I love about all the Proline models is in the back it's flush. All the cord management goes up inside the unit. You're never going to have problems fitting that inside your home. So whether you're putting it up against a wall or in an island, it's going to fit beautifully. The 30-inch model will come with 4 sealed burners. The two on the top closest to me will be 9,000 BTU, and lower here while you're cooking will be 15,000. The porcelain and sealed top guarantees that any spillover or mess from your cooking won't get inside the range itself or the flame, and also the grates on top can be removed for easy cleanup and make wiping it down a breeze. The grates themselves too are also lifted a little bit, so anytime you're cooking, moving pots and pans, you're not going to leave any scratches on the stainless steel itself. Also, all of the edges are laser welded, so some pretty stylish finishing going on all around the unit. Some ranges have fat fingers on the cast iron grates, which ends up blocking the heat from your cooking. What Proline's done is turn those so now the flame can more directly contact the pan. Moving down to the temperature knobs, these have some added weight to them. They're actually cast from a mold. They're not stamped, so you'll feel the difference. It's not like any old range. These were designed to have an analog look and feel, but actually, when you're controlling them, it's all digital inside of the range. So it's gonna feel like you're controlling the flame, but actually it's designed to get you the exact result you're looking for. Our front door is easily removable for cleaning, and if we take a look at the small vent here, there's actually another layer of air that exists to protect you from the hot air emitting outwards. In a normal range, the hot air wants to rise, so we've actually put a layer of insulation behind the temperature knobs to protect anything that our hands touch. On the topic of heat rising, in a normal range that air is going to try and go up, but inside of Proline's kitchen range, we actually recirculate that air, so if you set your oven at 350, you can be ensured that every square inch of that oven is cooking evenly. If I lower the door a little bit more here, you can see our seal inside of the oven. Now what that seal is, there's a small dimple where the seal itself is going to lay. The air is going to stay inside of the unit itself. It's not going to try and run out and escape. The nice thing is too, our seals are super easily replaceable. You can pop these on and replace a new one, in a couple of years when you need it. Now, most of what we talked about is going to apply to all models, but if we look at our 36-inch, we're going to have one more row of burners. At the top here, we're going to have 12,000 BTUs of heat, and below, closest to the cooking surface, will be 20,000. Now, specs-wise, with the 30-inch, you're going to get 3.5 cubic feet of oven, but moving over to the 36, those numbers are going to increase to 4.5 cubic feet and an additional 6 inches of width. Our largest model at 48 inches will feature the same oven as our 30-inch model, but you'll have a second space for cooking that's 2 cubic feet, not to mention the additional 8 burners that you'll have on top of that unit. Whether it's the 30, 36, or 48-inch models, they all come in gas, or gas-electric, and that's going to be a gas cooktop with an electric stove, or a gas cooktop and a gas stove. The gas cooktop features burners with open flames for that precise control and quick response that a lot of cooks love. The electric oven offers dry heat, which is often preferred for baking. Precise temperature control, broiling, and the initial cost is often less than a gas oven. The gas oven provides a moist heat, which can be beneficial for certain cooking tasks like roasting meats. Some cooks find this helps keep their roast or poultry a lot juicier. Quick preheating and precise cooking because you can control the temperature instantly, providing a rapid response in temperature setting. At Proline, we offer a professional line of luxury products at a competitive price. Make sure to use the link in our description to check out any of our current promotions on all the appliances that you guys have seen today. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet.